CBS This Morning, CBS News. CBSNews.com /CBS Evening News /CBS This Morning /48 hours /60 minutes Sunday morning Face the Nation. CBS This Morning. Politics Power Health Watch Note to Self The Green Room CTM reads Saturday Morning Money Lifestyle. The Rundown. U.S. broadens target list for Syria strike. Pentagon official says the scope of the possible U.S. operation in Syria has not changed despite a growing list of potential targets. Inside Syria, who are the rebels? U.S. officials say the Obama administration is considering sending military trainers to help the Syrian rebels. It would be a major expansion of a CIA effort already underway, but there are big questions about who the rebels are. Clarissa Ward went into Syria to talk with them. She reports from Antakya, Turkey. Obama continues to seek world support in Syria strike. More in politics and power. President argues in heated dinner discussion that the international community must move if nations, like Russia, block UN Council's action. U.S. proposed Syria attack would last 2 days, involve cruise missiles. Congress members seek more time in Syria strike decision. Search rescue teams, how they save lives. CBS News Carter Evans got an up-close look at how volunteer search and rescue teams jump into action. NASA heads back to the moon. NASA will launch a small, unmanned craft aboard a rocket bound for the lunar surface with the goal of solving a 40-year-old mystery. CBS This Morning contributor Michio Kaku, physics professor at the City University of New York, talks to the CBS This Morning co-hosts about the mission. Fitness apps may be releasing your health info. Smartphone apps that monitor health and fitness collect personal information, but these private details may be sold to advertisers and other companies. Kalia Barnes, of the Electronic Privacy Information Center, talks to the CBS This Morning co-hosts about the risks and how to protect your information. Can Bill Clinton sell Obamacare? President Obama is enlisting former President Bill Clinton to help explain his most important domestic policy achievement, the health care law. At his library in Arkansas, Clinton urged opponents of the Affordable Care Act to help improve it. Nora O'Donnell reports. Affordable Care Act insurance prices revealed in study. A new study reveals the average costs of insurance policies based on the 11 states that have posted prices. Gail King reports. Dirty health equipment blamed for deadly brain disease exposure. A New Hampshire hospital says as many as 13 people may have been exposed to a rare and fatal brain disease. The disease may have been passed through surgical equipment that had been used in a patient who is believed to have had the disease. The equipment, some of which was rented and used elsewhere, was not properly sterilized. Charlie Rose reports. Watch, Anthony Weiner meltdown in campaign trail. Disgraced politician Anthony Weiner had a meltdown in the campaign trail after an ugly argument with a heckler. Weiner, who was caught in a new sexting scandal in July, was at a Brooklyn bakery when he was confronted by a Jewish voter who provoked the former congressman with comment about his wife. Nora O'Donnell reports. Gabrielle's drenching rains pose greatest threat. Slow-moving storm expected to drench Caribbean Sea as it moves northeast, perhaps posing a threat to Bermuda. To punish or pamper? What's more effective at work? New research shows punishing employees can lead to more productivity. Garrick Thompson, business editor for The Atlantic, talks to the CBS This Morning co-hosts about punishment versus pampering. Representative Blackburn, clearly articulated Syria plan needed politics and power. Tennessee Republican, who represents many military personnel, says there's concern about deployments, mission definition despite no boots in ground promise. Japan to build $500 ice wall to contain radiation leaks. The Japanese government is taking extraordinary measures to stop radioactive waste leaking from the crippled Fukushima nuclear plant. Lucy Craft reports in how the ice wall